welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a passkey in Telegram. So, what is the passkey? A passkey is actually a login, secure kind of password. Like you need to create it in order to sign in easily and safely, and you can actually use it with voice recognition, your fingerprint, or screen lock to sign in anytime. And also the passkey also store securely. Your passkey is stored safely in the cloud service you choose. So how do you actually create a passkey? So first thing you have to do is go to your Telegram app. So just go to my Telegram app and open it up. So once you open it up, you look below your screen, you see your settings. Click on settings and click on privacy and security. Click on that and you're going to click on passkey right here. Click on that and you can see create passkey. It protects your account, so you just click on create and you wait for it to load up and you just follow the instructions and the guidance, right? So it's pretty simple. You just have to either choose your fingerprint, password, or face ID, and you will successfully do that. So you can see the passkey app, install app that supports passkey on your phone or ledger. So I can just do that and follow all the instructions and you'll be able to create a passkey. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.